Ancient Sumer is often referred to as the cradle of civilization because it's one of the oldest places where people started to build cities, create written languages, and develop important skills. The Sumerians are considered to be the founders of civilization as we understand it. The ancient Sumer civilization developed in the area of Mesopotamia, which in ancient Greek means the land between two rivers. These two rivers are the Euphrates and the Tigris. It is situated in parts of modern-day Iraq, Kuwait, and Syria. Thanks to regular flooding and a stable climate, the land between these rivers was very fertile and perfect for growing crops. The rivers also provided fresh, clean drinking water. This made it the perfect location for permanent settlements. As these settlements grew, they became cities. Some of the major city-states included Nineveh, Ashur, Nimrod, Akkad, Babylon, Uruk, and Ur. The harvests were so plentiful that farmers almost always had surplus crops to sell. Merchants took grain, fish, palm, vegetable oil, and other goods to other parts of the world and exchanged them for goods not found in Mesopotamia, such as precious metals and gemstones. Mesopotamia was perfectly located for trade because merchants could travel by ship along the rivers and beyond. People from different regions would come together to exchange goods and ideas. Because of its location, Mesopotamia became a hub for trade. While Mesopotamians achieved many great things, they also faced challenges, like flooding from the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. To deal with this, they built canals and irrigation systems to help farming. People in Mesopotamia were very clever. They invented things like the wheel, which made it easier to move heavy objects, and the plow, which helped with farming. To keep track of trade, the Sumerians developed the very first system of writing, now known as cuneiform. Later, under King Hammurabi, a justice system was created with laws that everyone was expected to follow. Mesopotamia was not only the birthplace of law and writing, but also of mathematics and astronomy. Thanks to Mesopotamian scholars, we have 12 months in a year, 7 days in a week, and 60 minutes in an hour. We really do owe a lot to the Mesopotamians.